This tutorial is on how to import URL redirects into Shopify. To do that, you need to create new Excel document, just an empty one, and open also Excelify template, go to redirects sheet and copy titles of the columns and paste them to this newly created Excel document. Then we will need to fill in path and target and also comment. Path, it is from where we will redirect the visitors. I already have prepared URLs. So those are URLs to the products with old handles. So I also just copy those URLs and paste them to the path column of the file. As a target, I will use URLs of the products from my product export document. There is a column URL here. Also just will copy those URLs and paste to the Excel, and those are URLs for my products with new handles. So basically product 1 will have handle Boeing 777. Now the comment column, we can use command new to add redirect, or we can use update. In case there are already such redirects, this will ensure that redirect will be updated or created if there is no. So then rename the sheet to redirects and save the file. For example, import redirects. Save as Excelify X document. When it's done, you need to go to Shopify admin, to the apps, and open Excelify application. Go to import section and upload the document what we just created, import redirects. When the file is uploaded, import it into the Shopify. So there are 5 redirects in total. So import is completed. New 5 redirects. Let's check. Go to online store, navigation, URL redirects, and here are our 5 redirects. Let's also check from the visitor perspective. Let's copy this path URL for product 1, for example, and paste it into the browser. So product is opened, and if we will check the address, so it is changed to Boeing 777. That's it.